Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start with calibrated hardware. This matters because your eye trusts the display. Open your clip, set timeline color space to Rec. 709, then add a neutral color corrector node or layer. Adjust exposure first. Lift shadows, lower highlights, and set midtones so skin and gray cards read correctly. Once done, balance white by sampling a neutral area, use the eyedropper or adjust temperature/tint. This gives you a clean baseline, so subsequent creative moves behave predictably and reproduce. Now you refine using scopes. Watch the waveform for luminance and the vector scope for hue stability. You will perform primary moves, lift for shadows, gamma for midtones, gain for highlights, because these control overall contrast and perceived color. Once primary balance is solid, switch to secondaries. Select a hue range or paint a mask to isolate skin, sky, or props. Make small saturation and hue nudges. This preserves natural tones while correcting problem areas for a believable result. Finish by applying subtle contrast, and if desired, a LUT or film curve as a final creative step. Keep opacity low and adjust to taste. Render a short test clip and check on multiple devices. Make sure faces and highlights retain detail. If you see banding, reduce heavy compression, lower saturation in problem gradients, or add a small amount of noise/dithering. If highlights clip, back off gain or use highlight roll-off. These final checks ensure consistent playback across screens.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.